How to block someone on Snapchat. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily block someone on your Snapchat app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Snapchat app, then go to chats, and then once you're on the chat, so for example, if I want to block this person, what you have to do is press and hold their profile name. Then this section will show up. Now here you have to tap on manage friendship, then here tap on block, and then again tap on block. Now that person is blocked, and if in future if you change your mind and you want to unblock that person, what you have to do is that you have to tap on your profile picture in the top left corner here, then tap on settings in the top right corner, and then here scroll down, and here you will see blocked. Tap on it, and here you will see all of the people you have blocked on your Snapchat. To unblock them, you have to simply tap on this cross in the right side of their profile name, and then tap on yes, unblock this Snapchatter, and that person will be unblocked. To Snapchat them, you have to add them again and they will be unblocked completely. And so this is how you can block and unblock someone on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.